In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process a customer refund in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're handling a credit memo or a refund receipt, knowing the correct steps is crucial to maintaining accurate financial records. We'll walk through the process of logging in, choosing your refund method, and implementing that choice in QuickBooks Online. First things first, you'll need to log in to your QuickBooks Online account. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the QuickBooks website at quickbooks.intuit.com. Once there, sign in using your existing account credentials. This will take you to your QuickBooks dashboard where you can manage your business finances with ease. Now that you're logged in, it's time to decide on the method for issuing your refund. In QuickBooks Online, you have two main options. You can issue refunds through a credit memo or a refund receipt. If you choose to issue a credit memo, this will allow you to apply the refund to the customer's balance for future use. This can be particularly useful if the customer prefers to use their refund as a credit towards upcoming transactions. On the other hand, if you prefer to record a cash or check refund immediately, a refund receipt is the way to go. This makes sense if you need to settle the account right away and prefer documenting it in real time. Let's explore how to create a credit memo, a common method used to handle refunds within the system. Start by clicking on the plus new option in your QuickBooks menu. From there, select Credit Memo. This will open a new window where you can fill in the necessary details. You'll need to select the customer you are issuing the refund for, then enter the specific product or service and the amount to be refunded. If you have additional notes or explanations you'd like to include, don't hesitate to add these in the memo section. It's always good practice for future reference. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close to complete the process. For those who might need to apply this credit memo to an invoice later, QuickBooks makes it quite straightforward. Whenever you create an invoice, you have the option to apply this credit memo, which effectively reduces the total amount due on that invoice. This can be especially handy when you want to ensure your records reflect the correct balance right away, and it offers the customer immediate benefits from their credit. By following these steps, you'll efficiently manage customer refunds in QuickBooks Online, maintaining both accuracy and transparency in your financial transactions. Stay tuned for more helpful QuickBooks tutorials, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below.